everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. Welcome back to my channel, A Colorful Creations. I post every Sunday and Thursday morning, just so you know. So today I'm so excited. I've reached 1,000 subscribers. I had no idea what happened this fast. I thought it would take a year or two, and I've only been posting for a few months. So awesome, thank you so much. So I want to do a little giveaway. I had really good response from the video I posted a while back on the golf ball marble, well, a golf ball pour. It's originally done with a marble. Anyway, this one, and it's pretty popular. So I kind of want to do something like this, similar, slightly different colors, but on a larger scale, and I'm going to give that to someone. So subscribing is optional, but if you do, hit the little bell, and then you'll get a notification when I do post a video, because I'm going to in 2 weeks after this is released, I'm going to pick the winner, like a random draw, and I'll announce that. I'll post the video. So that's up to you. You can check back if you want, whatever. So the rules are you just have to like and leave a comment. The comment could be anything at all. Just pick me or anything. And I'll just probably print out the list. I'm not really sure how to do it. Probably print out the list and cut them up, put them in a hat, and do a draw, something like that to make it fair. So I'm gonna do this on a level 3 gallery wrapped canvas. I'll show you. It is 18 by 24, I believe. Yes. So it's really good size. I think it's gonna be, you know, it's not a small dinky little thing like this. This is nice, but you know, this is 12 by 16, kind of small, so you can see it's quite a bit bigger. So I will ship this to someone in Canada or USA. Further than that, it costs a lot, and I'm not making any money doing this. So I mean, maybe next time, if you know, I'll open that up to further away. So just Canada and States. You're welcome to comment from anywhere else too. That's fine. So it's going to be a golf ball puddle pour, and I'm going to use slightly different colors than my last one. I will show you. I have Aqua Green by Mont Marte, and I did mix a little of this metallic green from Sargent Art in it. We have a metallic white by Loft. We have black by Mont Marte. Metallic cobalt blue by Loft. I have cerulean blue. It's kind of, the bottle's kind of messed up. And metallic blue by Sargent Art. I sat this in wet paint one day, and it's stuck on there. And here's my golf ball. It says tailor-made. I hope that's not too high quality. I did find it out laying in the yard, so hope that's okay to use. All right, so I have all my paint that I'm going to use in these bottles. It's so convenient just to squeeze it out. If you're using these, just make sure you test it first. I'm going to test these right here just to make sure that it's not, like, give it a shake, make sure it's not clogged or something else mixed with it or whatever, and just to make sure it's going to come out the right speed. So that's perfect. So that's the white. We got black, perfect. This is the metallic blue. Now see, I think that's clogged. No, it's just not open. All right, perfect. Cerulean blue. Beautiful. This is the aqua green with the metallic green mixed with it. And by the way, I'm gonna put resin on this when I'm done, so it's gonna look amazing if you go in the sun with it. Cobalt blue. There we go. I figure you can't go wrong with blues. Everyone likes blue. So there's the colors. All right, let's get started. I think I'm gonna change it up a little bit, and I'm gonna put some white along the top and side edge and black along the other edges. So my paints are how I always mix them. I have another video that I did on how I mix them that I will put in the description if you want to watch that. But they're all mixed with 1 part glue, 1 part Floetrol, 1 part paint, half part Liquitex pour meeting, and then water to thin it down to the consistency that I want. Now, I don't have any in a cup here to show you, but if I drizzle it with a stick, it leaves a little bit of a mound on top. It doesn't just run right in. So it's a little bit thicker if you're looking for consistency. I think I'm gonna do just random puddles this time. All right, now it isn't completely covered. There's some blank spots, but that's good because if I leave this much paint on here, it's gonna crack for sure. So I'm gonna give this a torch. These metallics are looking amazing already, especially that blue. The bright blue and then the cobalt blue. This looks really good. All right, let's start the fun. Put this in the center. right, let's have a look. Look at the colors. This turned out so pretty. Once it's dry and I resin, it's gonna just shimmer like crazy in the sun. Okay, here it is dry. Let's just have a quick look before I put the resin on. This looks really good in the sun already without the resin. So I'm gonna wait 2 weeks to do the draw. I'll give everyone time to watch the video and leave a comment. Like I said, just leave a comment and like it. And if you subscribe and hit the bell notification, that way you'll get notified when I announce the winner. It's gonna be about 2 weeks from now. So let me know if you have any questions or ideas you want me to try, or maybe even an idea for my next giveaway.